Here's a mistake that slows down thousands of SQL queries every day. Developers reach for union when they should be using union all, and the performance difference can be dramatic. Let's start with union. When you combine two select statements with union, SQL performs an extra step after merging the results. It scans through all the combined rows, identifies duplicates, and removes them. So if both queries return a row with the same values, you'll only see it once in the final result. This deduplication ensures a clean, distinct result set. Union all takes a different approach. It simply stacks the results from both queries together without any processing. If the same row appears in both result sets, you'll see it twice. No deduplication, no sorting, just a straightforward merge. This makes union all much more efficient for large datasets. Why does this matter? Because union has a hidden performance cost. To find and remove duplicates, the database must sort the entire result set or build a hash table. This requires extra memory and CPU time. Union all skips all that work, making it significantly faster, especially when dealing with millions of rows. Use union all whenever duplicates are impossible or acceptable. Both operators have the same requirement. Your select statements must return the same number of columns, and the corresponding columns must have compatible data types. The column names come from the first query. Choose union all by default for better performance, and only use union when you specifically need to eliminate duplicates. Remember, union removes duplicates at a performance cost, while union all keeps everything and runs faster. Choose wisely based on your data requirements. Practice more SQL questions at interviewmentor.com. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.